All right, let's get started here. So it is about 6 o'clock now, according to my clock. I want to get started on time for the people who have been here on time. What we're going to focus on today is what is local ad link. Now, as you're probably familiar, I run this meeting twice a week. These are great meetings to get others that are just getting involved on the call so they can hear about what's happening and kind of get a little bit more familiar. So you want to have people from your team join in and be on these calls for sure. Now, we also started yesterday on Wednesday at 7 Central Time. I'm trying to get used to that, using that Central Time, because that's what we're going to start talking more in reference to. At 7 Central Time on Wednesdays, we had a training that went over basically how to create an ad. That's a great meeting for you to be at. Each week, Wednesday, we're going to go over different aspects of how to use the system, how to read the stats, how to enter a customer in. So we're going to get into that on Wednesday, so make sure you join us. Today, right now, I'm going to go ahead and begin and get us involved with what is local ad link. Now, on this meeting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over who, what, where, why, and how. And as we're very familiar, those are common questions with anything that you are looking at. So first and foremost, before we get into that, I kind of want to talk about the opportunity that we have here and in the shift of what we've seen online. See, what's happening dramatically is people are getting away from print, they're getting away from magazines, the yellow pages offline, and they're starting to search online. It's kind of the standard now. And you can see here 63% of people have been searching online even before they make a purchase. And I find that to be true for myself. And it ain't 63% of the time. It's usually 90% of the time I'm online, especially when it's any type of large purchase. For example, today I went into to Staples, looked at some monitors, and they looked pretty good. But before I made my decision, I took the name of the monitors. Came back to my computer and went online and started searching and trying to find the absolute best price to find out a little bit more about the monitors. So firsthand, I witnessed today, just today, how I use the internet, how I went online to find out a little bit more. So this is a huge thing, and right now we're seeing numbers jump dramatically in this direction. Now, when we talk about the shift, let's talk about the money as well. What we've been seeing quite a bit is localized online marketing is the hottest thing out there right now. Maybe because the economy, maybe because things have tightened down, we've seen a dramatic jump from businesses trying to focus all their dollars nationally. Instead, now they're focusing it locally to people in their own backyards. And you can see right here, just in a couple of years, how it jumps dramatically by the billions. That's right, billions with a B. So this is a huge, huge industry to be in right now. So that's first and foremost. Now, let's start off talking about this service. Who provides the most complete solution? That's local ad link. This is powered by Zervita. This solution is one of the easiest and effective solutions out there. Now, first and foremost, what localadlink.com is, that's our directory. Very similar to a Yellow Pages or the Super Pages, except the way we deal with our partners and our customers is a little bit different. We not only put you on our directory, and we are one of the highest traffic directories in the country, over 7,000, we're in the top 7,000 websites in the U.S., and that's jumping dramatically quite a bit. And you can go check that out at alexa.com. That gives you some information as third party. You can see how this directory alone, even though it's still picking up momentum, and a lot of us haven't heard about it, is still one of the most powerful directories out there. Then also what we do is we work with our proprietary network. We have a network that's made up of over 10,000 unique domain names. So our ads are pushed out onto that network. That's all proprietary, meaning no other ads are shown on this network except ads sold to our customers, which is great. We also push out to third-party partners that are high traffic directories, websites, search engines. We're going to break this down a little bit more. Also, local ad link is a very simple, effective online advertising product. That's what people are looking for. Nobody wants more responsibilities. They just want to be able to get up and going quickly. And we streamline the learning process of being able to put yourself out there on the net. We're also a low-cost provider for online marketing. That's huge. Also, our platform, when we push the ad out, we're pushing out to a variety of sources. So there's multiple channels. That's a unique piece of what we bring to the table. This is not the first time a company has done certain elements of it, but it is the first time a company has done it under one roof, under one umbrella. Now, to kind of break the directory down a little bit more so everybody's starting to feel a little bit more comfortable with what I'm referring to and how the directory works. See, when they get to the directory, it's like an interactive ad. There's a lot of powerful things that you can use, and I call it a call to action, something to appeal to them, to get them into your location or calling you, and that's huge. First and foremost in this interactive ad is the ability to put up coupons. Now, one of the things that's important to know right off the bat, because your customers are going to ask this is, well, putting in coupons, I don't have a designer or a developer here. Do I have to hire somebody? No. This can be done easily by the customer, just like managing the ad. They have the ability to upload coupons, and coupons is extremely important. In the year 2008, 1% of coupons were redeemed from print. The same year, 13% were redeemed online. That's 13 times as much at a fraction of the cost they're paying for print. So you can see it's extremely attractive for the average business. Now, not only am I telling you coupons are important, it is one of the most searched terms on the internet right now. So people are looking for coupons and savings dramatically in this economy. So it's important to put that out there, especially when somebody's finding a new business as first. It's good. It entices them to come in and kind of see your business. Now, you also have the ability to upload videos, images, and the videos is something you might have on file. Very easy. You don't have to make special videos or hire people. If you've created a video, you can attach it just like attaching a file to an email. Also, uploading images. So if you're a restaurant, you can kind of show maybe the ambiance inside, people shooting darts, the food you have, just the experience in general. Remember, when it comes to local marketing, it's not like going online and finding the absolute best price. They're going online to find a location where they're going to come into. By having these videos and coupons and images, it's appealing to them. This is a very personable thing. It's not just purchasing, it's getting them to come into your location. That's why having this interactive ad is very effective and important. Also, you have the ability to go ahead and put in directions. Now, before I move on, I talked about the coupons, but let me show you how easy it actually is to create a coupon, just kind of painting the picture from this image here. See, over here is the coupon wizard. You can simply pick out some of the colors that you want, put in some of the information,